Raindrop. Drop, drop, pop, drop, splash, splash. Drop, drop. Smacked against the window. Not again, thanks the drop. This looked like a win-win. Why does wind not negotiate its destinations? It can still act the weather. Just push the pour to different locations. I just prefer to avoid a window. Or worse. Who made gravity the deciding force? I think this earth needs to find a writer to write a letter to the higher up. Appeal to the higher up's ethos. Explain that gravity is acting up. It is inconsiderate when it comes to destination, pulls me down when I'm up without considering a softer destination. I can't even fall into a volcano for all I know. I am a part of the natural cycle. Either accept that or go home.